Hey gamers, today I'm showing you a little video on the Powder Toy. The Powder Toy is a physics simulator, and this first video I've got here is me with a little bit of plutonium in the right, and we put up some walls and uh, um, we put some water in there. We've got something that clones the water, so the water is coming out and turning into steam all the time. And I had some channels to make the plutonium go around and the water go around. Now in a moment you'll see me putting holes in the side of the container so the plutonium drains out. Now you can play, this is normal gravity that I have on right now, but you can play with the gravity. In a couple minutes you'll see me play with the gravity. The lines you see on the outside are actual lines that show which way the air currents are doing. I constructed all this using the elements that are given to you. You start with a blank slate and you just experiment with different stuff, and then you put it in motion and it gives you what actually would happen in real life. So you're going to see me in a second change the gravity, I think, to, yep, there's the gravity change to radial gravity, which means it all goes to the center like a planet. Before it was all going straight down. And you can also have weightless environments. So 3 different kinds of environments: weightless, gravity going from top to bottom, or gravity going to the center of the screen. Now I'm turning the gravity back to weightless, and pretty soon it's going to go back to normal. But you get some nice flow effects. It's like watching a lava lamp, very, very calming. That's why I like to play with it. And you can learn some things. Okay, now I've turned on the gravity so it goes down to the bottom of the screen, and all the stuff is draining out. So it's free. You go to powdertoy.com, and the next video I'm going to show you is a pre-made simulation. People make these, they save them up to a website, and there's a web browser that you can go look at hundreds and hundreds of simulations. This one I didn't make, somebody else made it. It's Tsar Bomba. I'm going to turn it on and set Tsar Bomba off. And usually they have little instructions on what to do. That's plutonium in the middle, and guess what happens with plutonium? Yeah, an explosion. You can also change the edges of it so that the edges of the whole screen, they can be void once it gets beyond the screen, or it can be closed space so it reflects back. So that's another one of the settings. There are a lot of YouTube videos if you want to learn how to use it. It does electronics, it does chemistry, it does physics, it does pneumatics. So basically, it's a science simulator. So enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.